Hello friends, today I want to share with you about why purpose is important in life. Let me read. A purpose challenges us to risk more. If we have a purpose, we will do extraordinary planning to see it accomplished. If a cause is bigger than we are, it will require our best organizational skills. Goals are not made by accidents. Friends, the purpose challenges us to risk more. Extraordinary planning, and also our best organizational skills. Usually what we used to do is this. Without purpose, we used to set the goals and we fail. The first things we need to have is purpose. We have to know the specific why we want to achieve our goal. That is purpose. If we have purpose, we push ourselves to achieve our goal, because that purpose will push us. A purpose also makes us extraordinarily observant. It makes us more sensitive to people and needs around us. We will look for opportunities to move forward. If we have a purpose to achieve something, it makes us more observant and sensitive. We look for opportunity. We try to achieve our purpose, our goal, because that purpose will push us to achieve our goal. Having a purpose enables us to sacrifice beyond the call of duty. If we have purpose, we never procrastinate. The reason is it enables us to sacrifice more. At last, having a purpose allows us to expect more than we ordinarily would. What I am really saying is this. Purpose makes the difference between the ordinary and the extraordinary. Friends, when we have a purpose, we are different from ordinary people. It makes us extraordinary. If we want to set the goals, there must be purpose behind. And we have to do it. Friends, today I want to share up to this. Thank you for everyone for watching this video.